Welcome back to Discount Trader. In today's deep SMC breakdown, I'll show you exactly how smart money manipulated this chart using break of structure, liquidity sweep, inducement, point of interest, and sell-side liquidity, and how we caught a clean sell setup directly from the point of interest all the way down to our target. Let's jump straight into the chart. Let's begin with the left side of the chart. Here, the market creates a high and then reacts sharply downward. Most retail traders think this is just a pullback, but when price breaks the previous low, that becomes our first bearish break of structure. This is the moment smart money shows its intentions. This first break of structure tells us the market is shifting from bullish to bearish order flow. It's the first sign that sell-side pressure is entering the market. After the first break of structure, price attempts to retrace, but the retracement is weak. The market continues downward and breaks another previous low. This is our second break of structure. Whenever the market gives two consecutive break of structure in the same direction, it confirms the trend. This is smart money continuing the displacement phase, pushing price lower using institutional orders. This trend confirmation is crucial because after two break of structure, we know for sure that the market will eventually pull back to a premium area to pick up more sell orders. Now go slightly to the left. Before all the bearish movement, the market performs a liquidity sweep, labeled LS in your chart. This is classic smart money behavior. They push price slightly above the previous high, grabbing stop losses from breakout traders. People enter buy positions thinking price will continue upward. But smart money just wanted their liquidity. Once the liquidity is taken, the market instantly reverses. This liquidity sweep is the origin of the entire bearish move. It tells us that the market captured liquidity and then delivered displacement. After the two break of structure, price begins its retracement. Every institutional move has three phases: sweep, displacement, retracement. Now, we're in the retracement phase. Price slowly climbs back into a bearish point of interest marked on your chart. This point of interest is a supply zone, an area where smart money originally placed large sell orders after the liquidity sweep. This zone is important because the market always returns to mitigate these unfilled orders. So when price approaches the point of interest, we prepare for the sell. Before reaching the point of interest, notice how the market forms a small high. This is labeled inducement. Inducement is smart money's way of attracting traders into the wrong direction before they hit the main zone. Retail traders see this small high breaking structure and think, the trend is reversing, time to buy. But smart money is simply creating liquidity below this inducement. They want retail traders to enter buys and place their stop losses below this newly formed swing, because those stop losses become the fuel for smart money's sell. Now, let's talk about the target. The market has a cluster of equal lows around the bottom, marked as sell-side liquidity. Why does this matter? Because smart money always moves price from one liquidity pool to the next. After collecting buy-side liquidity at the point of interest, the next logical destination is sell-side liquidity. This sell-side liquidity becomes our take profit, the place where smart money will likely deliver price after filling sell orders. Once price taps into the point of interest, we execute the sell trade. This is where smart money mitigates previous orders and injects new sell-side volume. Immediately after hitting the point of interest, the candle shows rejection. Lower time frames begin shifting bearish. Internal structure breaks. Momentum returns to the downside. This is exactly how institutional setups behave. From the point of interest, price sells off smoothly, moving through internal liquidity and heading directly toward the sell-side liquidity target.